Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is going to be my Supreme North Face live cop. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get it because the site is trash. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't use a bot. I went completely manual. As you see, I'm refreshing the page constantly, and then I think I was a bit late. People are saying that it dropped a couple seconds early. I think I was refreshing on the wrong page, but right here, went for the size large, added to cart, checked out, completely manual with autofill. Obviously I filled in my CVV, checked it, went over to my other monitor trying to check out on a different card just in case anything happened. You see I get a violation of terms, which makes no sense because I'm not using a bot or anything. I did it all through autofill, filled out my CVV manually. This also happened on the other page I was doing, which you can't see because it's on another monitor, and at this time they're all sold out, which is kind of crazy. I think I was a little late. I was refreshing on the wrong page, but I really don't know. That's about it. I took an L. Everything else at that time was sold out, and I really wasn't able to get anything this drop, which is pretty disappointing. But there's rumors that there'll be a part 2 this season, so I'll probably try and make a video about that. Sorry for this late upload. I know I should upload this like on Thursday evening or Friday, but it's already a week later. I've been busy, and I'll try and get another live cop maybe this week if I cop anything. I have no idea. At this point, we don't really know much about what's dropping besides the suitcases and stuff, which I won't be getting obviously. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later.